Hello Odooers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to send WhatsApp message from the CRM. So let's see about that, how to work it. You can see here a module Dev CRM WhatsApp. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to CRM app, go to configuration menu and see here separate menu WhatsApp template. Now click on and create here template like a WhatsApp and write here message like a hello Odooers. Let's say now go to leads, go to anyone like a steel products and see here this button send by WhatsApp. Set here your mobile number and my created WhatsApp template is display here. And based on template, auto load here WhatsApp message. Here available two options, send by mobile and send by web. Now click on send by mobile, continue to WhatsApp app and display here this message hello Odooers. Now send this, again go to leads and also here attach last WhatsApp message hello Odooers. If you found this helpful, do it like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.